so in addition to the new kill switch, the brand new reeds, and the extensive carb work on this, we got some new parts for it. As you can see, we already got some clutch discs soaking in some oil. We got her drained out of here. And now I'm gonna take the tires off and bring them in to get them changed up because I do not want to do them myself. This front tire is just outdated and starting to get dry rotted. So we got a Melville 2 front tire, should have a lot more grip in the turns. And this back tire here is just straight out bald. So yeah, should be quite the change. Don't think I need to replace this back tire bearing. The tire is not evenly balanced, but holy crap, it spins a long time. Did not account for the tire holding up the bike and then taking it off, so I had to use a step stool to hold it upright, but yeah, works. All right, while we're waiting for them tires to get mounted up, I went ahead and slapped on some new chain adjusting hardware, and I got these bar risers we'll toss on as well. All right, next up is levers for this bad boy. Okay, finally got this lever to work, but it is not specifically made for this bike. Hole is right there, goes in there, so it's supposed to push the lever out like this. But on this lever, the hole is on this side of the pivot, so then I'm constantly pushing this way a little bit, which keeps tension on there, but it holds it in place, so it'll work enough. Why is it so hard to find levers for this bike? This one slides in fine, you know. That don't fit. It doesn't reach. It only barely reaches the hole when I do that. Not right. And that one I had to jerry-rig to even make work. That is quite the upgrade there. I like that. Gray color looks good. Look really good on there. Hey, how about that? Something actually went right for once. Both sides too. Crisp. All right, guys, I got the tires freshly mounted up. And I got this dirt bike back together, but taking her for a spin, ran out of gas going over a jump, and then landed on the front tire and went over the handlebars, and I broke my collarbone. So no more riding dirt bike for me the rest of this year. Should be good for snowmobiling, so that's good. But also no bow hunting, and I'll probably have to miss a really fun trip duck hunting in North Dakota, so that's too bad. Currently it is still tacoed. All right, we made her through probably the most boring deer season I've ever had. I hunted every single day and I saw 2 bucks and didn't get a shot at either of them, so no deer for me this year. But my collarbone's good enough to start working on the dirt bike, so got everything cleaned up here and we'll slap this back tire on. Undo this fill plug, kind of wedge it in here, and one of them deals, and she popped right open, but wouldn't recommend doing or putting gasket maker on here. Oh, they even had a gasket in there actually. Whatever. Ouch. Probably should fix that. Alright guys, after a little bit of struggle, we got all the clutch parts out here, and this clutch basket has some pretty good grooving in it. Let's see, focus on it, come on. And this grooving will cause the clutch discs and whatever to kind of hang up and not really engage and disengage well. You're supposed to just buy a new basket and not grind these down flat, because I don't know, apparently it's bad for. But I think you guys know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and grind them down anyways. All right, we got our filed down nice and smooth, looking pretty good, both sides. Time to put her back in. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, won't be a pain now. Wow. Probably couldn't do that again. All right, so here's the old ones. Here's the new ones. You're supposed to soak them in oil before you put them in the bike and use them, because it, yes, it's good for the fibers, otherwise you'll burn up your clutch right away. And I put them in oil to let them soak before I broke my collarbone in September, and it's December. So I think 3 months is long enough for them to soak. Oily fingers. Alright, that's gonna call it on the dirt bike for winter. We're gonna be done working on it and let her sit while we wait for some snow, because we don't really have anything out there. It's like January, 1st today? And we have like no snow at all. Like, you can see grass, dirt, everything. So hopefully we get some snow soon so I can start riding the sled and making better videos. Also, I blew up the 340, so well, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this yet, because it's kind of not worth much, but yeah. Great start.